Hi everyone, welcome back once again. In this tutorial I will teach you how the applications are working in Windows 10. So before starting, I'm showing you how we could find or start the applications using the search bar. As you have seen, there is a search bar here. So from there we can open our applications. So right now I'm going to type here Wattpad. Let's see if it's coming or not. As you have seen that I have right here Wattpad and Wattpad app is here. So I'm going to click this. So this is the application which already installed here, and it's open when we search this application using the search bar. Now if you look at this application, you can see that this application has some sections. I'm now introducing you with the sections. So after opening an application, there should be a name displaying at the top. As you have seen that document Wattpad. So this is the title bar, and as in next section you have seen that there is a file, menu, home, view. So this is the menu bar. After this section you have seen some tools are available here, which is known as the ribbon tabs, and under ribbon tabs the formatting tools and different types of tools are available. Just we can write something. Welcome. So this is the page where we could write our text or whatever we would like to write, we can write here. And here you can see that there is a ruler. So this section is the ruler section. Using this ruler we can change the page margins. Okay. And the last tab here, this one is known as the status bar. So this is all about an application in Windows 10. You can see all the applications that are already installed in Windows 10. Right now I'm showing you how we could install an application and how we could check that applications are available and where the application is available and how we could uninstall it as well. So let's get into it. Right now I'm going to install Power DVD 7. So to do that we have to go to the software folder and we have to click on the setup file, that means .exe file. So I'm clicking on it. Then I'm going to proceed. Power DVD is setting up, that means the application is going to install. I'm going to accept all the terms and conditions. it's going to install. It may take couple of minutes to install it. Almost 96% done. So our application is installed. So, and you have seen that our application is already here. So in this way we are installing applications in our Windows. Now it's time to check where the applications actually installed. So to do that we have to click on start menu, then we have to go to the settings. Here you can see that there is an app section, so you can click on it. Then you have to go to the apps and features. As you have seen that all the installed apps are displaying here. Okay, so we are going to check where our DVD player is. As you have seen that the power DVD we have installed, it's already here. So all the apps we already installed in our Windows 10 all should be listed in the app section. So if we click on power DVD, as you have seen that there is an uninstall button. So if we want to uninstall our apps, any of the apps we have already installed, we should go here and we will uninstall it. So I'm going to uninstall our applications. So I'm going to click on uninstall. It says to confirm it again. So I'm confirming it and it is going to uninstall my applications. So I'm going to click on yes, all settings. So right now as you have seen that uninstalling. So it may take couple of minutes to uninstalling our. So as you have seen that after uninstalling, it displaying an message that the application is uninstalled successfully from my machine or laptop. So I'm going to click on OK. Now I'm closing this, and if you check the desktop, you have seen that the power DVD icon is not available. That means we have successfully uninstalled it. So in this way we could install and uninstall an application in Windows. So that's all from me in this tutorial. So hopefully you have got enough idea and at the same time practical knowledge of Windows 10 applications, how it works and how to install and remove the applications as well. So thank you for watching.